Welcome. If you want to know how to insert a row into an Excel table, you are in the right place. After watching this tutorial, it will be child's play. Let's see how to do it. From time to time, we just need to add some data into an already prepared table. Excel has a useful function of inserting an empty row or even multiple rows within a table. Excel offers more than one solution. Now we are going through one only, and it will be easiest, the quickest one. Let's say we need to insert an extra row right below row 7, an extra row for an employee called Tamanna. How can you get it done? Look at the vertical bar on your left showing the row number and simply click on row below number 7, that is row 8. Right click and select Insert. Done. Excel has added an empty row 8 right below row 7, just as we wanted. All you need to do now is just fill in Tamanna's details. If you want to add more rows at once, you don't need to do it one by one. Let's say we want to add 3 empty rows below row 6. As you already know, Excel adds extra rows above the selected part. Therefore, we'll click one row down from the place where we want to add rows. In this case, we will select row 7. Then we click and hold the left button on the mouse and drag it 3 rows down. Right click on the selected rows and choose Insert. Done. By following these steps, you can add as many rows as you need. Thanks for watching.